In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Drive. Google Drive is an incredibly useful tool for storing files securely online and accessing them from anywhere. Whether you're using it for personal use or as part of a team, the first step begins simply by accessing Google Drive through your web browser. Head over to drive.google.com. If you already have a Google account, just sign in using your credentials. If not, don't worry. Creating a new Google account is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Drive homepage, a space that will soon become your digital storage hub. To start working with files, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a plus New button. This is your gateway to creating and organizing your drive. Clicking on this button presents you with the option to create a new folder, which is perfect for categorizing your files, or you can choose to upload existing files or folders from your computer. Now, there's this great feature that many find incredibly convenient. You don't necessarily have to use the plus New button to upload files. If you have files stored on your computer that you wish to transfer to your drive, simply drag those files and drop them directly into the browser window. This drag and drop feature turns file uploading into an easy and intuitive process, without the hassle of navigating through different menus. Beyond just uploading files through the web interface, Google Drive offers several options for seamless access across different devices. If you're someone who prefers having access to their files directly from their desktop, you might want to consider installing Drive for Desktop. This software allows you to sync files automatically between your computer and your Google Drive. This means that any change you make on your computer is instantly mirrored in your Drive and vice versa, providing you with effortless synchronization and up-to-date access to your files. Lastly, for those of you always on the go, downloading the Google Drive mobile app is a must. It's available on both iOS and Android, allowing you to access your files on your smartphone whenever you need them. This can be invaluable for checking documents on the move or collaborating with others, no matter where you are. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Google Drive. We covered everything from signing in, uploading files, syncing with your desktop, to using the app on your phone. Each of these steps is designed to make file management simple and efficient for you, ensuring that your important documents are always at your fingertips. Thanks for watching,